Something that I want to bring light to that's been occurring a lot is 10-foot shipments. Right here we've got a pallet of 10 footers, 2-inch 10 footers. Make sure if you're receiving these in that your bundles look nice and tidy like this. These center brackets all should be centered. Material should be all nice and straight. Nothing should be stacked on top. What we're encountering is a lot of the truckers are stacking heavy stuff on top of these 10-foot pallets. Make sure as a receiver that when you get these in, they look nice and straight. If they don't, make sure you're making a claim right away with the trucker.